Okay friend, it's time to get started on replacing our radiator cap. Obviously, you're going to want to go ahead and pop the hood. After that, make your way right over to the radiator where you can see the cap mounted along the top. The next thing you want to do is carefully give it a quick feel just to make sure it's not hot to the touch in any way. The vehicle needs to be sitting for a little while, that way there it can decrease pressure inside of the system. Now once you're sure it's cool to the touch, let's continue on by pressing it down and turning this counterclockwise. As we do that, we're going to go ahead and lift it up and away from our face. Just in case there is any pressure, we want it to go the opposite direction. Now we'll just do a quick product comparison, make sure they're the exact same. As you can tell, they are. So now we can take our brand new cap and we're going to align the alignment tabs on the cap with the slots that are on the radiator. Once you have it on there and lined up, go ahead and turn it clockwise to lock it in. Now once the cap's on there, go ahead and run the vehicle for a short while and make sure you don't have any leaks. Thanks for watching.